Common potential due to sharing of charges. Common potential of two capacitors due to sharing of charges. Let two C1 and C2 be the capacitance of two capacitors. V1 and V2 are the different potential of them, and Q1 and Q2 are the charges. Let V1 and V2 be the electric potential, initial potential of the two capacitors of capacitances C1 and C2, of capacitances C1 and C2 having different charges Q1 and Q2, having charges Q1 and Q2. Before sharing of charges, two capacitors of capacitances C1, C2 having charges Q1, Q2 before sharing of charges. If the two capacitors C1 and C2, if the capacitor of capacitance C1 is connected to the another capacitor of capacitance C2, if the capacitor of capacitance C1 is connected by a connecting wire with another capacitor, with the another capacitor of capacitance C2, another capacitor of capacitance C2, C1 and C2 are the constant capacitance of the two capacitors, and this is connecting wire using by which we can connect two capacitors C1 and C2, connecting wire, and due to sharing of charges, potential of the two capacitors will be same, that is V and V, but charges will be different, that is capital Q1 and capital Q2 will be the charges of the two capacitors due to sharing of charges. If the one capacitor of capacitance C1 is connected to another capacitor by using a conducting wire, charges, the charge will be shared or transferred from the capacitor C1 having higher potential V1, from the capacitor C1 having higher potential V1 to, in this case we can assume that V1 is greater than V2, that means potential of the capacitor C1 is greater than the potential of this other capacitor C2, having higher potential V1 to the capacitor C2 having lower potential V1. Here we assume that V1 is greater than V2, potential of the first capacitor is greater than that of the second capacitor. The total charge before sharing, total charge of the system before sharing is given by, before sharing of charge is given by Qi, small qi is equal to Q1 plus Q2, small q1 plus small q2. Q1 is the charge of first capacitor and Q2 is the charge of other capacitor. Now if we put the expression that is of Q1 and Q2, then C1 V1 is Q1 and Q2 is C2 V2. So finally we get Qi as C1 V1 plus C2 V2. This is the total charge before sharing of charges between the two capacitors. This is equation 1. And here we can write down the expression of capacitance as C1 is equal to Q1 by V1 and C2 is equal to Q2 by V2. Due to sharing of charges, between the two capacitors, potential of them will be same or common, will be common, that is same, will be common, that is same. Let V be the common potential, V be the common potential of the two capacitors C1 and C2, capacitors C1 and C2, due to sharing of charges. Therefore, total charge after sharing of charges, between the two capacitors C1 and C2, after sharing of charges, is QF equal capital Q1 plus capital Q2, where capital Q1 and Q2 are the final charge of the two capacitors C1 and C2 after sharing of charges. Q1 and Q2 are the final charge, charges of the capacitors of the two capacitors C1 and C2. Putting the expression of Q1 and Q2, we get C1V plus C2V, which is QF, or expression of final charge of the two capacitor after sharing of charges. This is equation 2. QF equals C1V plus C2V. This is equation 2. Now in the diagram, two capacitors are connected by a connecting wire, and charge will be transferred from C1 to C2 having higher potential, and Q1 is the final charge and Q2 is the final charge of the two capacitors C1 and C2. As no charge is lost, that is no charge is lost in this process of sharing of charge, hence we can say that QF equal QI, that is final charge will be equal to total initial charge, that is C1 plus C2 dot V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 using equation 1 and 2. Therefore, V equal C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole divided by C1 plus C2. So this is the expression of common potential V. V equals C1 V1 plus C2 V2 divided by C1 plus C2. Here we can write what? This is the common potential. Common potential of two capacitors. Common potential of two capacitors due to sharing of charges. Due to sharing of charges between them. V equals C1 V1 plus C2 V2 whole divided by C1 plus C2.